Okay, this is my first Houdini tutorial, but one thing I'm trying to follow other people's tutorials is that the nodes change between newer versions, right? So you're trying to follow the tutorial, add a node, and you have a new version that's completely different from someone else's version, right? So if you want to follow along with other people's tutorials, you need to be able to change the version of the nodes. And I'm struggling currently with the attribute noise node using the version 2, right? And so if I just go tab and type in noise, I have two versions, the new version and the old version. I'll tell you how I know the difference in a sec, right? But by default, you'll only have one, right? One version, right? So to get the old version, there's two ways to do it. I'll show you the user interface way. Preferences, shells, show all operators, accept, right? Done. And then that will give you two versions, right? And you'll know the difference because if I added here's the if I go add noise and the top one, plonk it down, and then it's right middle mouse button hold down, it'll tell you version 2, right? And similarly the one beneath it is version 1, which is this one here. Look, see, there's no 2 there. So that's how you do it. You can use the I guess the Houdini console text thing. I couldn't get it to work. I completely new beta thing, and I didn't really want to go down the console route. But yeah, so this is just a quick way to do it.